Okay, so my Black Friday canvases I got from Diamond Art Club came today. So I am going to do an unboxing. So I got 4 canvases Black Friday. I actually didn't get any for Cyber Monday. I was waiting for Lavelle, but it never came. So that saved me some money. Um, but the first canvas that I got is Forever Yours by Ann Stokes. It is a square canvas. It's 65 centimeters by 83.9 centimeters, or 25.6 by 33.1 inches. I love that. So we're going to open it. These are literally out of the box. Let's see what these look like. Get the plastic off of here. Oh. There we go. Put that there so my dogs don't get it. Okay. So toolkit. Again, as always, I don't use those, so if you want it, just send me a message and I will send it to you. So for this one, taking a look at the key. It is 47 colors and it has 5 special drills. Nice. There's those. So that is canvas number 1. Let me see what it looks like. Gotta make sure you fold this up right. Everything's like a puzzle box now. It's annoying. Alright, there we go. Oh, it came with a card. I gotta find where I put the rest of these. But it came with the collector's card. This one is a bronze. So you should get one too if you got the canvas. I believe that's how it works. I don't know. Who knows? Anyway, these are what the drills look like. I'm just excited for the number of special drills. Now let's see what the canvas looks like. That is Rhaegar. This is what Forever Yours looks like. I know, Rhaegar. I like it. Now looking at it, most of it is 310, but there's a lot of color blocking. There's not a lot of confetti. Yay! I love color blocking. So this will be a pretty good canvas to get through. But yeah, so if you're a fan of color blocking, you're really gonna like this canvas. All right, let's pull out the next one. Okay, so the next one is Spirit of the Night by Chris Ortega. This is 65 centimeters by 90.8 centimeters, or 25.6 inches by 35.8 inches. This one is also a square canvas. move it out of the way. So this one is 50 colors, and it has, let's see here, this looks like it got wet. 1, 2, 3, 4 special colors. Not bad. Let's see what the canvas looks like. Back in there. It's probably just cold though, actually. Oh, got a card with this one too. This one is a silver. Let's see what the canvas looks like. Ooh. This is what Spirit of the Night looks like. Make sure you guys can see it. Now this canvas does have the red perforated dye marks on it. Let's see if it bled through. Actually, the better way would be probably over here. And no, there are no lines on the canvas. At least not for me. So if you got this canvas, hopefully you don't have lines on yours either. Let's get to the next one. Okay, so my third canvas is Morchio Ergosum. Hopefully I just didn't summon something, but this is what the image looks like. This is a round. It is 55.6 centimeters by 78.7 centimeters. So let's see. Got your card in here. Image looks like. Okay, this one, come on. This one is 86 colors. Yay. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 special draws. Okay, okay, I can work with that. This is the color scheme of that one. I have a feeling this one is probably going to be a lot of confetti, but maybe I'm wrong. This one also has the pink lines. I don't see how this is 87 colors or 86 colors. Doesn't seem like a lot of colors are represented here. But nevertheless, 86 colors. But this is what the image looks like. I love it. I love it. I love that he has his little tux on and he's death or something, I don't know, but it's dark and I love that. So the image is great. I'm excited. So there's that one. This one also, I know, Jay, has the pink lines, but I don't have them on my canvas. So there's no pink lines on the actual canvas for this, at least not for me. Let's get to the last one. Okay, so my last canvas is Romantic Sorcery by Art Claire Studio. This one is a round canvas and it is 55.6 centimeters by 80.9 centimeters. I love the roses. Let's see what the image looks like. Let's get this open. Oops. CJ doesn't like people outside minding their own business. How dare they? He can sit in my window and look over the parking lot. So. Get this open. A little bit. This lovely lady is 54 colors. Not bad. And she has 3 special drills. So I probably might enhance this just a little more. Because 3 is a little, she could be a little bit jazzier. So I'll probably end up getting some enhancement drills from DP with sparklers for this one. Oh. So do these come in every? I got a black. No idea what that means. Put that over there. See what the canvas looks like. So this one, let's see, is also mostly color blocking. Let me see where the special drills are. So the special drills are, let me see, just scattered around. Okay, yeah. Here's what the image looks like. Gorgeous. I love the roses. I definitely want to make the roses pop out. This one, let me check. No pink lines on the canvas. So either I got extremely lucky or they fixed it, at least with these. But that's what I got for Black Friday. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing. I'll see you guys later.